on to examples of what I'm expecting you to be able to do from just those 3 videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to, in this particular case, fry a pickle. You don't see it very well, but there's a pickle about that size attached to 2 wires, and I'm going to plug them into a socket over here, into a wall socket. This is kind of a dangerous one, so you wouldn't want to do this one probably. It's gonna, the 120 volt Coulomb guys that come out of that wall, way bigger than the 1.1 volts that I had going through that light bulb, are gonna come flying through this pickle. As they fly through their pickle, they have to work their way through it. Now work is how much voltage the Coulomb guy uses, right? So he can do 120 volts of joules of energy as they pass through this pickle. A pickle isn't that, has a fairly high resistance, about 1,000 ohms. So they're not going to be moving very fast, but fast enough to light up that pickle. So I'm going to make a light bulb with it, and then they're just going to go home. So what did I have to talk about? I had to talk about the power source, the field that I created, the positive and negative. It's going to be from an outlet. Now, in this case, it's AC, but that's a different topic. It's going to come flying through this pickle, and it's going to, as it passes through the pickle, it's going to light it up. It has to do something. It's also going to heat it up. So I'm going to plug this in right now, and you're going to see the pickle light up. Okay, so this is a series circuit, because it's just one pickle in series going through 120 volts of electricity. So now I'm going to take that same pickle, I'm going to change this topic a little bit, and I'm going to take another pickle. We're going to hook them to a little different circuit. Okay, so this would be my example that you guys might do. Okay, it's just a fun thing. You can find all sorts of interesting things. And all you're doing is demonstrating that you understand voltage, amperage, resistance, and power. So in this case, I'm going to give the pickle or the electricity 2 choices. It can go through the bottom pickle or the top pickle. It's a choice. They don't all have to go through one pickle. Now when I plug this in, they're going to both light up, and you can see them. Here, let me get out of the way. Whoops. Just a second. That top one came off. Alright, so hopefully you can see those. Plug it in. Okay, and they're both lit up, top and bottom. Now the bottom one's having a little trouble, and now the top one's having a little bit of trouble. So what ends up happening in this particular case, the electricity can go through one pickle or the other. So the power is doubled. The amount of light is doubled. And the current then, the amount of coulombs that pass through the circuit are doubled. The voltage, 120 and 120, because it's going to do one or the other. So this is an example of a parallel circuit in an experiment. I'm going to be back with another example in just a minute.